In this video, I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. And you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. And on my website, creativelymissme.com, I've created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. Now let's jump into this collaboration. I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now the title of this collaboration is Quarantine Cooking at Home with Me, and it is hosted by the Sister Circle, and our hosting YouTubers are Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner and Denise of This and That with Denise Jordan. Now, if you're not familiar with these ladies' channels, I'll have a link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the description when it becomes available. Now, all they ask is that we find something to cook with only what we have in our freezer or in our pantry, the quarantine cooking. So if you're interested in seeing what I prepared for you today, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, here are the ingredients I'm going to be using for my meal. I have some medium-sized shrimp, some broccoli florets, brown rice, honey, some ginger, some soy sauce, and some minced garlic. Now what I'm going to be making tonight is called, it's a 20-minute honey garlic shrimp. And I wanted something quick, but only using things I had here in the house. I had to dig deep for some of this. Didn't remember I had some soy sauce, and looked in the pantry and there it was. But these are my ingredients. I'll have the recipe, the mixtures down below in the description, so you can see how it all turns out. But I'm really excited about this. Something I've been wanting to try for a while, but now since we locked in, there's something that I can cook that's different, something that both him and I like. So I'm gonna get to work. Okay, you see I have a bowl, I have my whisk, I have my measuring spoons, and I have 2 measuring cups, and I've added a Ziploc storage bag. The first I'm going to do is I'm going to put my mix together. So I'm going to take 3/4 cup of honey, which is all of my honey. Then next we're adding 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Then we're going to get 1 tablespoon of the garlic. Then 1 teaspoon of ginger. Now we're going to mix this all together. Okay, next you take your Ziploc bag and I'm going to put the shrimp in here. Here are my shrimp. And then we're going to pour half of this milk mix in here. Check it around. Make sure it all gets coated. Now I'm going to set both of these in the refrigerator because this has to sit for about 15 minutes so the sauce will get mixed up in the shrimp. And after the 15 minutes is over, I'll be back. Now while I'm waiting on the shrimp to marinate, I'm going to go ahead and put my rice on. And I'm using brown rice. You're here, why don't you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on their very last screen. And then I have this pot where I have water in it, and I'm going to steam my broccoli. Now we love broccoli, so this will be just great for us. So the lid goes here. Normally put the broccoli here on the rear. I'll let it boil for a couple of minutes, and then I'll turn off the fire so it can just steam it. And then I'll turn the burner on under the rice. And turn on the other side. Turn on the lower. Okay, now while the shrimp is marinating, the broccoli will be steaming and the rice will be cooking. So when the shrimp is done, it won't take long to put everything together. So once all of this cooks and the shrimp is ready, then I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to get my shrimp. I'm gonna put a little olive oil in the pan. Okay. And you cook them on a medium heat. For about 45 seconds or so. You'll know the other side starts turning pink, and that's when you flip them over. And then we add in the remaining of the marinade that we left in the bowl. We're going to add in the last of our marinade. Let that cook for about a minute longer. Now I'm going to fix the plate and show you how it all looks. Now here are the plates. What I did was I put the brown rice in the plate. I added the steamed broccoli and the shrimp on the top of the rice. Dinner is served.